Easy Italian beef with store-bought buns, easy beef, store-bought giardinara, and some provolone cheese toasted. Stay tuned. So we're going to start with 8 pounds of some chuck roast here. Just got this at Costco. Just plop that into a slow cooker. I have 4 jars of pepperoncinis. These are medium. The people we were cooking this for didn't want it too spicy, so I'm just going to save the pepperoncinis themselves, use them in some salads. You know, some people eat salad. So just going to use the juice here of 4 jars, dump all those in. And then for some seasoning, we'll have 4 packets of some Italian seasoning. Just put all 4 of these in our mixture here. And then just make sure everything's covered. We're going to add some water just to cover the meat. Going to put our slow cooker here on low and let this cook for about 12 hours. All right, here's 12 hours later. You can see the meat is getting kind of tender and we have this kind of silver skin. And it's not exactly pulling apart like I want it to. A little tough still. So what we're going to do a little shred on the meat here. Yeah, still too tough. It's really not gonna work out good. Yeah, you can see that silver skin. And there's some more fat to render out. So we're just going to let this go for a couple more hours. But before we do that, what you want to do is you want to get as much of that silver skin out of here as possible, less we have to do later. And yes, I do have a complete version of this that I will be bringing out shortly of a true Chicago Italian beef sandwich. This is just an easy version, and I'll give you the complicated version here shortly. So to speed through this real fast, get rid of that silver skin, some extra fat that's just not going to render. We don't need to have that in here. And you can see here, we're pretty much just down to the liquid and the beef. So what we're going to do is let that cook for a few more hours, just to let everything cook down some more and tenderize the beef a little bit. And after that, I'll bring you back for the taste test. As you can see on this version, we're just using store-bought buns, our beef that we made, some store-bought giardinara, provolone cheese. We're going to give that cheese a nice toast with our sous vide gun. Looks absolutely delicious, simple, easy. See here, I absolutely love this sandwich. Really good. But hey guys, like I said, this is the easy version. I'll do a complicated version here shortly. Absolutely love this sandwich. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe. Leave a comment down below of your favorite type of sandwich. I'll be making plenty of these in the future. Hope to see you in the next video. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.